overwhelmed by charting, medication reminders, and patient updates?
Oo, ganyan mukha mo. Ang dami ko pang charting, te. Haven't you heard the nurse bot? Nurse what? Hindi mo pa nga alam. Ito.
Introducing NurseBot, your AI-powered assistant built to make every nurse's job easier and safer.
Oh, try it. Nurse bot. Update Mr. Cruz vitals.
From real-time vital sign updates to medication alerts, NurseBot keeps you informed when it matters most.
Ala, code blue.
With instant alerts, you will never miss a critical change in your patient's condition.
Ma, discharge ka na mamaya ha. Yung mga rinili sa'yo. Yes po. Babantayan niyo po siya. Yes po. Thank you po.
NurseBot, empowering nurses through innovation.